Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a newish company. They've only been in production for around 2 years, uh, but I got contacted by them, and I am so glad that they contacted me. The items, you guys are going to love them. So they came about in 2021, and they have quite a few different items on their website. They have artwork, they have home decor, they have jewelry, they have these 3D wood carvings that are gorgeous. They have pins, pendants, charms. They've got earrings, necklaces. They also have some metal art for your yard, like some windmills, and then some metal animals that you push. They've got like two spikes on them, you push into the ground. They've got wooden puzzles, all of it. So I was able to pick out two items from them. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to save 15%, and shipping over $69 is free. The coupon code is capital S, capital T, capital C, and 15. So STC 15 with the letters being capitalized. So the name of the company is called Tivisiy, and I hope I'm saying that right. I will have their website below. I will also have the coupon code below, and I will also have, I think they have a link to the products as well. I have to check again. They gave me a couple of links to show you guys. All right, that one I'm going to show you guys last because that one is my favorite piece. So this one I chose, the first one that I had chosen, it was a book nook, but it was out of stock, so I chose this instead. Now this one came wrapped in bubble wrap inside and in bubble wrap outside. But I had already taken everything out of the package because I wanted to check it all out. And it arrived really quick. It also arrived in perfect condition. Everything was fine. Nothing was broken. So I was really happy with that. So this is a tea light or small votive candle holder. And this is a satin spar, or some people will call it selenite. It is a very nice piece of crystal. This is the holder for it, and it just sits right down in there. And I'm sure once you have a candle in there, it's going to make this kind of orangey color, and it's going to make it kind of glow. But I'm going to take that out while I show you guys the base. I fell in love with this. It is a gorgeous piece. And like I said, it arrived in great condition. And it is, the stone's like really cool right now. So, but because of the temperature in the house. But I just loved this. So I had to get that. I think it is beautiful. Now, this piece, when I saw it, I knew instantly I had to get this. Now, I will say that this company they have a little bit more going on with their company, and there's a card in here that I will show you guys. But this is the top of their box. I love it. I thought it was cute. It is absolutely adorable. And this is the piece that I got. Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. You've got a little castle back here. You've got some mountains. I absolutely love this piece. And if you look on here, it is layered wood. You can see all of that. And that is how they build the 3D art in here. They do it by sections, and then they glue all the sections together. Isn't he gorgeous? I absolutely love him. And this one lights up. I believe you have the option to have it light up or have it not light up. So I chose the option of lighting up because I wanted to see it. And thankfully, I have a USB plug right next to me. So that is what I was doing. And then there's only an on-off button on here. You can't dim it or anything like that. But for this type of piece, of course, you're not going to leave it on all the time. But that is what it looks like lit up. It is absolutely stunning. This is amazing artwork. I love it. And it came all nice and nested in the crinkle paper. So I was really happy that it came unbroken and in one piece. Okay, so this is the card that they had in the box, and it tells you right there, it says that High Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detailed-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we committed giving to nonprofit organizations to help make this planet a better place. So there is, it's so shiny it doesn't want to focus. There's their information right here. You can see their Instagram, their TikTok, their Facebook, and their YouTube. And then there is the company brand and their WhatsApp and their email. But I thought that was really neat. I love that the fact that they're making it out of recycled wood. So I thought that was really nice. And these pieces are gorgeous. They have a lot on their website, so you guys definitely need to check them out. I just love this piece. This piece is definitely going up on my shelf. I am in love with this. I am hoping my son doesn't try to steal it, because he probably will. He will probably try to take it. So he's going to have to get his own. This one's staying with me. I love it. Okay, so like I said, I will have their links down below. I will also have the coupon code in the description box as well, and it will give you 15% off. They have a ton of items for you guys to go through, and like I said, it all arrived in great condition, and I'm in love with this. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. That's it for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.